to remove the card reader with the flash air card is to right click on the drive, go down and click the button eject. Remove the card reader from the PC. And then wait 15 seconds and re-put the card back in. Again, let's right click on the flash alert card, go down to eject, remove the card from the PC, card reader from the PC, and then put the card reader back in your USB drive. And once you see the card reappear, you can close your this PC window. And now we're ready to go to the dashboard. All right, let's open up a web browser and type in the name of the logger. This is what we assigned in the configuration. So we had lab as the name and use a / and then press enter. Give it a second. And the dashboard now appears. So let's go over this tile and explain all the different pieces. In the upper right hand corner here, lab. That was the name you assigned to the data logger. To the right of that, you have the IP address that was assigned to the Wi-Fi card or to the flash alert card by your router. Next line down, log at. This was the last entry in your CSV file, the time and date. To the right of that, you have a battery symbol. This will show your power in percentages, 20, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Right now it's showing 100%, means it's either on USB or the battery's at 100%. Then we have our first sensor in this upper box, its name, fridge, its current temperature, 4.6 degrees C, and you can see the min and max set points that were set in the logger. And that's in another video, how to configure your min and max temperature settings. Below that, you will see the min temp. It says 1 degree C, which was below 2. All the text turns blue. So you're aware that there was an excursion on the low end. Likewise, on the max temp, you see it says 9 degrees C, which is above 8. It turned red. If the temperatures stay within the min and max ranges, the text will just be black. Below we have 3 buttons. We have report, message logs, and test message. Report. You click on report and you can see the current CSV file and the entries that are in there. This is exactly what your file looks like if you were to go open it up. So you can exactly see, and it's real time. You'll see the lines be populated as they are recorded. The message log tab shows you all the alerts and all the status messages that were sent out. As an example, on the very first line, alert, lab, that's the name of the logger. It shows the time and date. The alert, battery, 100% remaining. It's telling you this because it's not on USB power. It lost power. The building lost power, whatever. So it's now running on the battery backup. It says email sent, SMS sent. It's saying it was able to send those messages out without any kind of failure. And the file that's currently being written to. This is the current record, CSV. And it says Wi-Fi connected. So if you had an email error or an SMS error, more than likely you would have Wi-Fi not connected. And that's why the messages couldn't get out. But if the Wi-Fi is connected and you have these errors, then there's something else down the line that created the problem. All right. If we go down and we look at the next entry in the log, you'll see alert from lab again, the time and date, and this time it says battery returned to USB power. That means that the USB power resumed or the building power resumed. So at least you're getting messages back that things went back to a normal status. And it once again tells you the email and SMS were sent, the same record is being written to, and Wi-Fi connected. If you want to print out a list of the logs, that will also print. All right, let's go back to the dashboard. Now the next item we have is test message. Pressing the test message button will send emails and/or text messages to the recipients that were entered during the Flash Alert configuration setup. A few seconds after pressing the test message button, a pop-up with the message, "Lab says test messages sent." This means that your messages were successfully sent. The text message sent to your mobile device will say, "This is a test message from Lab," and dashboard IP address is with a IP number link. Click this link and your mobile default web browser will open to the Flash Alert dashboard. Bookmark this web page for easy access in the future.
The Flash Alert is now ready to be placed in the data logger. So eject the Flash Alert drive from the PC, as we have done before. Remove the SD card reader with the Flash Alert card from the USB port, and remove the Flash Alert card from the card reader. Go to your data logger, make sure it's turned off, and remove the standard SD card from the logger, and replace with the Flash Alert card. Power the logger back on. And now you're ready to configure the data logger. Time, date, min-max alarms, and logging interval. We have a separate instructional video on configuring the data logger on our channel. Now open a web browser on PC or mobile to the Flash Alert dashboard as we have shown earlier. And wait for the dashboard to display. Once the dashboard is displayed, press and hold the set button on the data logger till you see record on the data logger's display. Then release the button. Once the first record is recorded by the logger, which is based on your logging interval, you will see the dashboard update with the current temps, time, and new CSV log name. The data logger with the Flash Alert is now ready to be put into service. Remember to place data logger within approximately 30 feet from a router or access point for reliable network connection. This concludes our instructional video of the Flash Alert Wi-Fi SD card.